Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the 15 days training program challenge for freshers. The concepts, the main and most useful concepts that I teach here, like within a 15 days, will be Visual Studio overview. There will be like Visual Studio, everything, the overview of that, everything, and the front end. The next one is the model management. There we can able to say everything about the models, update model parameters, etc., and the tables, edts, enums, table properties, index, relations, delete actions, extension concepts. And the next is the classes, reports, debugging, forms, and no menu items as well. And one more thing that I'm happy to share with you guys is probably in the next video I'll show you my Microsoft Certified Trainer kit. That is like kit is about to reach actually. So I'll make the video on unboxing the kit in front of you guys. Okay. Thank you so much.